but it's like 3 days in a row, dude. 6% today. What was it? 8% yesterday, and 3 or 4% the day before. Like, this has to be one of the best NasDaq trading weeks in probably like 2 or 3 months. Watch all these news outlets comment on that. They're going to be like, NasDaq on track for the best trading week of 2020.
Dude, honestly, man, like, it's so true. The market is just, it's been printing out cash, and I haven't been diligent enough to capitalize on it on my end, but nevertheless, I'm looking at the technicals and I'm seeing the feasibility, and yeah, it's just like there's not really much refutation. Like today, we on directly at market open, we got the confirmation to go to higher highs, and it hasn't turned back since, right? And that's what he was speaking to, because he did a live trade today, and you can see it's still pumping to higher highs, right? I mean, it's just egregious, the sort of money that's printing right now. And if you were to go back to yesterday, it wasn't that much different. It's essentially the same thing. We got confirmation right at the opening bell, and prices pumped the whole day. If you were to go the day before that, it was a similar pattern, but to the downside, right? Really just like solid breaks, no hesitation, and you just locking in, man, instantaneously, like 200% guaranteed. Right there on 935, took price to lower lows, right? Because you had the support defined here, right? 27.17. Shit's hard, dude. Shit's hard. So I look forward to see what's gonna happen next, but I mean, this is really just it's something different. I mean, let's see here. Let's see how this day looks like a bit of a mess. You had something like this, confirmation here, 940, you got in, they took your money, and then you could have used the same key as a resistance, and then you would have taken price to higher highs, right? So you did acquire a loss, but only an hour later, right after the opening bell, you got into the right orientation of the trade, and you proceeded to make some insane profits, right? Just to reaffirm, look, your order block is here. So I said that a bit prematurely. Your order block is here, and the break can be confirmed at the latest at 11:05. You're still getting in a pretty solid entry, and there's like little to nothing to complain about. You go to the day before that, same thing all over. You had the structure in the pre-market, right? This was the support, and you got the break at 9:45. So you got in 9:50. Forget about it. The whole week has just been phenomenal. Like literally zero. There's not really a whole lot to complain about, right? There's even a following upside opportunity in the second half. You had some definition here for the resistance at 25.78. You got the confirmation. It was a bit choppy, but under hypothetical grounds, I mean, it held key levels, right? 25.42 would have been the liquidation for anything that were to close below. And when you look to your right, you can clearly see it went parabolic. So amazing week.